Welcome to Mr. English Couple, where stories make English come alive.
Welcome back to Mr. English Couple. Today, we have an important topic, a topic that everyone needs in real life. Today, Jacob and I will talk about seeing a doctor. You will learn how to explain symptoms, useful phrases at a clinic, common health vocabulary, simple English questions and answers, natural small talk with your doctor. We will take you through one full day, from feeling sick to visiting the clinic, talking to the doctor, and going home.
And don't worry, the English is simple, slow, and easy, perfect for beginners, perfect for practice. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's start our story.
I wake up early today, but something is wrong. My head feels heavy, my throat is dry, and my body feels tired, very tired. I sit up slowly and touch my forehead. It feels warm. Oh no, I whisper. Am I getting sick? I drink a little water, but it doesn't help. I feel weak. I take a deep breath and call Jacob.
When I see Sarah calling early in the morning, I know something is not right. I answer the phone and say, "Good morning. Are you okay?" Her voice is soft. She says, "I don't feel good. My head hurts. My throat hurts. I think I need to see a doctor." I get dressed quickly and tell her, "I'm coming. Don't worry. I'll take you to the clinic."
10 minutes later, Jacob knocks on my door. He looks worried, but calm. He always stays calm. He says, "Ready?" I nod slowly. We walk to his car. The air outside feels soft and cool. I wish I felt better so I could enjoy it.
As we drive, I look at Sarah. She is quiet. She leans her head on the window. She looks tired. I ask, "Do you feel dizzy?" She says, "A little." I ask, "Do you feel cold or hot?" She says, "Hot." I say, "Okay, we're almost there." I turn the radio off so she can rest.
When we arrive, the clinic is not too busy. There are a few people waiting, sitting quietly. I go to the reception desk. A woman with glasses smiles at me and asks, "Good morning, how can I help you?" I say, "I need to see a doctor. I have a fever and a sore throat." She types on her computer and asks, "Do you have your ID?" I give it to her. She prints a small paper and says, "Please wait. The doctor will call your name."
Sarah and I sit in the waiting area. The room is bright and clean. Soft music plays in the background. I look at Sarah and say, "Drink some water." She takes a small sip and tries to smile. "Thank you for coming with me," she says. I say, "Of course, I'm always here." We wait for about 10 minutes. Then we hear her name. "Sarah, please come in."
I walk into the doctor's room. He is friendly, maybe in his 40s, with calm eyes. He says, "Good morning, Sarah. What seems to be the problem today?" I sit down and take a slow breath. I don't feel good. I have a headache, a sore throat, and I feel very tired. He nods and writes something on his paper. "Okay, how long have you felt like this?" I say, "Since this morning."
I sit beside her and listen. The doctor asks more questions like, "Do you have a cough? Do you feel cold?
Do you feel pain when you swallow? Sarah answers each one slowly.
Then he says, "Okay, I will take your temperature." He puts the thermometer under my tongue. After a minute, he checks it. He says, "You have a fever, 38.5 degrees." Then he checks my throat with a small light. Say, "Ah." I open my mouth. "Ah." He nods again. "Your throat is red and swollen."
The doctor sits down and says, "You have a throat infection. It is not serious, but you need rest." He writes a prescription. You need these medicines: fever medicine, throat pain medicine, antibiotics for the infection, a warm drink like lemon and honey, and no cold drinks.
When we reach home, Jacob helps me carry my things. I change into comfortable clothes and sit on the couch. He brings me warm water and says, "Take your medicine." I swallow the pills slowly. I don't like medicine, but I know I need it.
I ask, "Do you want soup?" She nods. I go to the kitchen and make simple chicken soup. The smell fills the room. Warm, soft, comforting. Sarah takes one sip and closes her eyes. She says, "This feels good." I smile. I'm happy she's eating.
We sit together quietly. The room feels warm. The soup warms my throat. I tell Jacob, I hate feeling sick. I feel slow. I feel weak. He says gently, "It's okay to be sick. Everyone gets sick. What matters is resting." I lie down on the couch and he covers me with a blanket. My eyes feel heavy. I say, "I think I need sleep."
I say, "Sleep? I'll be here."
I fall asleep quickly. My body relaxes. My breathing slows down. I sleep for almost 2 hours. When I wake up, I feel a little better. Jacob is sitting next to me, reading a book. I smile. "You stayed?" He says, "Of course."
Sarah sits up slowly. She drinks more warm water. Her voice is still soft, but she looks better. We watch a simple movie together. Nothing loud, something slow and peaceful. We pause every few minutes so she can rest her eyes.
I feel grateful. Sometimes when you're sick, you just need someone near you. You don't need talking. You don't need plans. You just need quiet company.
Around evening, I ask, "How do you feel now?" Sarah says, "Better. Still tired, but better." I tell her to eat something light. We make simple toast with honey, sweet and warm. She takes her second dose of medicine.
At night, I feel ready to sleep again. My body is tired, but my mind feels calm. I tell Jacob, "Thank you for today. Thank you for staying with me." He says, "You don't have to thank me. We take care of each other." I smile and close my eyes. Today was difficult, but also gentle, and I feel safe. Today, you learned how to talk about symptoms, fever, sore throat, headache, tired, feelings, weak, dizzy, cold, hot, common phrases at the doctor, and simple questions the doctor asks.
And you learned daily verbs: wake up, call, go, wait, check, take medicine, rest, eat, sleep. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, what do you say when you feel sick? And practice this. I need to see a doctor because...
If this podcast helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more daily English with us. Together,
See you next time.